and g are functions, then we can find their sum f of x plus g of x. We can also write this as f plus g of x. That is what we are going to be looking at in this video. How to add and subtract functions. Hello guys and welcome. Suppose we have three functions f, g and h. We can find the sum of f plus g of x by simply adding f of x plus g of x. Now f of x is equal to x minus 3. G of x is equal to 10x. So we have this new expression, x minus 3 plus 10x. The next step we want to take is to collect like terms. We have here x plus 10x minus 3. So we have 11x minus 3. This is the value for f of x plus g of x. The difference g minus h of x is equal to g of x minus h of x. We have to substitute g of x with 10x. We want to subtract from this h. H of x is minus x squared. So we have 10x minus x squared. This is equal to 10x plus x squared. This is our answer. If desired or otherwise required, we can rewrite this answer. So it will be like x squared plus 10x. Thanks for watching.